Hey beauties, it's Riri. Thank you for joining. Today it is a little mini Temu haul. I decided to do a small little spooky season Temu haul. Some of my stuff didn't come in yet, but I'm in the process of decorating, so it's just gonna be a short and sweet little haul. Let me open this up. We'll dive right in. Alright, first up, I hope this is okay. They don't really package things the best. They kind of throw it all in and get as much as they can in a bag. But it is affordable stuff. Some stuff I've tried has been hits and misses. Some has been really okay quality. Some has been not the best quality. So hopefully these are okay. Again, these are for a one-time like Halloween type party, so I don't mind that. And I'd rather spend $1 or $2 to get something when I know it's a one-time use thing. Anyways, I digress. This is just an LED light bulb, but it's a black light bulb for my lamp for our party. I just want to make sure that it's okay. Shockingly, it's okay, and it was like $1. Next up, I got this. I love this so much. Right now, I have an avocado little dish mat thing that goes under my dish drainer. So this is just to put under my dish drainer. I thought it was super freaking cute, so I'm really excited to have that. Again, it was like $1. I also got, we will use regular plates as well, or just get some plain black ones, but I wanted some kind of themed plates as well. These just say Happy Halloween, trick or treat. And they're nice and spooky ooky. And then I got the matching little napkins. I thought that was super cool. Next up, I got some orange socks. I'm actually going to be, I think, Velma for Halloween. So I ordered my socks from them. I also got just an orange V-neck and then like a little skirt thing. Those didn't come yet, but imagine this with that. And they were cheap. So I'm going to be Velma. Yeah, comment down below what you're going to be if you celebrate. I also got another little set of lights. These are supposed to be purple and orange. I had a couple sets already from previous years, but I needed an extra set to put in the kitchen, so I'm excited to have those. Next up, I got a couple of cozies. These are koozies? Cozies. Koozies? Koozies? Correct me if I'm wrong. I probably am. Koozies, I think, but I'm doing gift bags and gift prizes and stuff like that for like best costume, things like that. And I thought these would be super cool to put into the gift bags. I also got this cute little bag of scrunchies, and it had a ton of spooky season scrunchies, 6 of them for, again, like $2. I thought they were super cute, and I thought it'd be a cute little addition to put into the gift bags or as prizes. And last up, I got this cute little drinking game. It's called These Cards Will Get You Drunk Too. So it just says the rules are simple, moving clockwise, take turns drawing from the deck, yada yada. Obviously, if you don't drink, that's fine. This is not meant for you, and obviously drink responsibly. But I thought it was something that was super fun, and again, it was like $3. So that's my little Temu haul. If the rest of the stuff comes in soon, I will also share that for you guys. And of course, as we head closer to Halloween, I think I'll sit down and maybe go live. You guys let me know. Maybe go live and do my outfit and my makeup and all that kind of stuff when I'm getting ready for my party. Yeah, let me know if you want to see that. Does Velma really wear makeup? I don't know. We'll figure that part out. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me. I love you beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties!